We are on Folsom Boulevard right now, and Paseo Rio Wy at Horn Road. Here's some Polara EN4 head buttons.
Wait to cross Paseo Rio Wy at Folsom Boulevard.
Peace, love on the walk signal. It makes a chirping sound. Same one, EN4.
Wait to cross Paseo Rio Wy at Wait to cross Paseo Rio Wy at Folsom Boulevard.
Now let's go to this one. Oh, the walk sign just turned on. And then
wait to cross Folsom Boulevard at Paseo Rio Wy. Wait to cross Folsom Boulevard at Paseo Rio Wy.
now let's go on this side. More EN4s.
Wait to cross Horn.
Yeah.
Wait to cross Horn Road at Folsom Boulevard.
Then this one.
Wait to cross Folsom Boulevard at Horn Road.
This one's about to go off. Wait for this one to go off. Countdown. Same on this side.
Wait.
Jesus criminy. The chirping is loud. Jesus criminy.
Wait to cross Horn Road at Folsom Boulevard.
And this one.
Wait to cross Folsom Boulevard at Horn Road.
And here's this one on this side. No EN4.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait to cross Folsom Boulevard at Paseo Rio Wy.
Well, that's it for this intersection. We'll find a different intersection now. See you later.